Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to easily fix edge loops. For example, I want to draw using knife tool some edges like this. And then we have this edge loop as shown in our example. Over here, going in between these two edges created using a knife tool. And here is a quick way in order to fix it. So select the edge loop by holding Alt and the left click. Holding Alt and left click is gonna be selecting this edge as shown in our example. Then move to the edge loop by pressing G twice. Hit G twice like this. And follow this by pressing E. It's gonna be making it straight as shown here, and that's amazing tool to make the line straight as shown here. Hold Ctrl to snap the edge incrementally while moving it. GG and hold Ctrl. Like this, gonna be making the edge loop straight as you can see in our tutorial. You can also choose which neighboring edge to follow the orientation by pressing F. And that's it for tutorial how to fix edge loop and make it straight. Thanks for watching.